Are contraceptives administered before IVF with donor eggs? Yes, it is possible that the gynecologist prescribes oral contraceptives to the recipient woman before starting an IVF with donor eggs or egg donation, especially in the case that it is a fresh egg donation. The reason for scheduling contraceptives is that in this case, it is necessary to synchronize the recipient's menstrual cycle with that of the donor. That is why it is common to take a contraceptive, which will facilitate that coordination. Subsequently, the donor will begin ovarian stimulation, while at the very same time, the recipient will start endometrial preparation. Thus, the recipient woman's uterus will be ready on the day of the embryo transfer.